30,000 jobs gone in 1 week. This isn't a recession story. This isn't about the economy. This is about AI replacing humans at a new scale. And if you think this is just about Amazon, you're already behind. Amazon is preparing to cut as many as 30,000 corporate jobs starting this week. But here's what the headlines aren't telling you. This is just the beginning of the automation cliff I've been warning about. CEO Andy Jassy already told employees that AI adoption and improved productivity would lead to job cuts. Translation: AI agents are doing the work humans used to do, and they're doing it faster, cheaper, and without vacation days. Let me show you the pattern that should terrify you. Late 2022, Amazon cuts 18,000 corporate jobs. Mid-2023, another 9,000 roles eliminated. 2024, 30,000 more positions on the chopping block, but look closer at what they're cutting. Human resources, operations, devices. And here's the kicker. Jassy launched an anti-bureaucracy push to reduce the number of managers. Why? Because AI agents don't need managers. They don't need HR. They don't need the entire middle layer of corporate America. I predicted we'd see the reduction of all office and admin work by the end of 2025. We're watching it happen in real time, and we're ahead of schedule. Here's what Amazon figured out that most companies are just now realizing: when you have autonomous agents and agentic workflows, you don't need armies of people doing repetitive cognitive work. You need a small team of humans who know how to direct AI systems. Think about what a typical corporate employee does. Process information, write reports, analyze data, coordinate between departments, make routine decisions based on established guidelines. Every single one of these tasks can now be automated with AI agents. And it's not just Amazon. Fortune 500 companies are deploying hybrid workforces right now, where human managers oversee both human and AI workers. The level of human oversight varies based on the task's complexity and risk, but the direction is clear: fewer humans needed. Here's the part that's hard to hear. Any task you do at a computer can and will be automated. If your job consists primarily of reading emails and responding, creating presentations, data entry or analysis, scheduling and coordination, writing standard documents, customer service interactions, you're in the danger zone. Amazon isn't cutting these jobs because of budget constraints. They're cutting them because AI can do the work better, faster, and at a fraction of the cost. An $80,000 salary employee costs the company around $120,000 with benefits. An AI agent costs pennies per task. The math is brutal, and every CEO in America is doing the same calculation right now. So how do you survive this? How do you become irreplaceable when AI is replacing everything? Step 1, become an AI orchestrator. Stop competing with AI. Start directing it. The people who keep their jobs and get promoted will be those who can manage teams of AI agents alongside human workers. Learn to understand different levels of AI autonomy and how to deploy them effectively. Step 2, move up the value chain. Focus on work that requires strategic thinking AI can't replicate yet, genuine creativity and innovation, complex human judgment calls, building relationships and trust, ethical decision-making in gray areas. These are the skills that will matter in 2025 and beyond. Step 3, build AI native skills now. You need to learn how to prompt AI systems effectively, how to build and deploy AI agents, how to create automated workflows, how to audit and improve AI outputs, how to integrate AI into existing business processes. This isn't optional anymore. This is survival. But here's the thing. While everyone's panicking about job losses, there's a massive opportunity hiding in plain sight. The future will be owned by those brave enough to be the first movers, the ones willing to adapt, pivot, and build businesses businesses that leverage AI from the ground up. Think about it. If one person with AI agents can do the work of 10 people, what does that mean for entrepreneurs? It means you can build a $1 million business with a team of 2 humans and 20 AI agents. I'm not being hyperbolic. We're already doing this at First Movers. We've built agent systems that handle research, content creation, customer intake, and sales automation. What used to take a team of 15 people now takes 3 humans directing AI systems. The companies that will win in the next 3 years aren't the ones with the most employees. They're the ones with the best AI infrastructure and the humans who know how to leverage it. Let me be brutally honest with you. If you're waiting for this to blow over, if you think this is just another tech trend, you're making a catastrophic mistake. This isn't just another tech trend. This is the biggest shift in human capability since the Industrial Revolution. Amazon's 30,000 job cuts are just the headline. The real story is the tens of thousands of jobs being quietly eliminated across every industry. The corporate job listings that suddenly require AI proficiency, the consulting firms restructuring around AI augmented teams. The automation cliff isn't coming. We're standing on the edge right now, and some people are already falling. So here's what you need to do today. Action 1. Audit your current role. How much of what you do could be automated by AI? Be honest. Then figure out how to automate it yourself before someone else does. Action 2. Start learning AI tools immediately, not tomorrow. Today, spend at least 30 minutes every day working with AI systems. Build agents, create workflows. Get comfortable with the technology that's reshaping work. Action 3. Position yourself as valuable. Document the strategic thinking, relationship building, and complex judgment calls you make. These are your moat against automation. Action 4. Consider entrepreneurship. If corporate jobs are disappearing, why not build a business that leverages AI from day one? You can compete with companies 10 times your size if you use AI strategically. I absolutely love seeing people take control of their future and build their own business. I used to coach people on how to do this for years. All in all, helping people become first move in this new age is exactly why I created AI Labs. I'm teaching people how to build businesses with AI, not just use chatbots, but deploy entire systems of autonomous agents that can run operations, handle customer service, create content, and generate revenue. Collect fresh B-roll of our labs for this inside my AI R&D labs. You'll learn how to build and deploy AI agent swarms, how to create automated business workflows, how to leverage AI for competitive advantage, how to position yourself as irreplaceable in the AI age, how to build an AI-first business from scratch. The link is in the description. And if you're watching this thinking, I'll join later, later might be too late. Every single AI model from this point forward will be dramatically more capable than what we're using now. The gap between those who adapt and those who don't is widening every single day. Amazon's 30,000 job cuts aren't just a news story. They're a warning signal. They're showing us exactly where this is headed. The future will be owned by the first movers, the people who saw this coming and positioned themselves accordingly, the ones who built AI skills when everyone else was hoping things would stay the same. The question is, which side of this divide will you be on? Hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Drop a comment and let me know. Are you adapting to AI or are you hoping your job survives? The automation cliff is here. Choose your path wisely. See you down the next rabbit hole.